SB19 achieves big on its first week, 11 million views, and remains the #1 trending for music on YouTube. This is big news. SB19's Damn has achieved more than 11 million views on YouTube in just 1 week, and not only that, it is still the #1 trending for music on the said platform, and they have been claiming that #1 spot for 6 consecutive days. O diba, panis na ang ads accusations ng iba dyan. Anyway, pati sa Spotify ay patuloy pa din ang pamamayagpag ni Damn. On March 5, it has achieved a new all-time high on Spotify Philippines daily top songs chart with more than 265,000 additional streams, reaching a new peak at number 33. At hindi lang yan, dahil even after a week, nag-chart pa din ang Damn sa ibang mga bansa. Number 20 on Spotify UAE, number 41 sa Saudi Arabia, and number 183 sa Hong Kong. It's been a week and yet SB19 Damn is still making waves. Pero hindi pa dito ito magtatapos. So keep streaming and sharing 18. Deserve na deserve ng SB19 at ng Damn ang local and international recognition.